This United Airlines Boeing 777 had one of its engines blow up mid-flight. The pilots managed to land it successfully, and no one was injured.
Yay!
Heroic Boeing 737 takeoff bank angle call-out active. The bank angle is the angle at which the vehicle is inclined about its longitudinal axis with respect to the horizontal. In the first qualifying session of Race 4 in Windsor, Ontario, Australian pilot Matt Hall, after a strong release session on a track, stalled his plane to face a dramatic situation. Aircraft maintenance crew accidentally triggered the emergency exit. This Red Bull Cobra helicopter stuck when trying to lift off. Extremely low takeoff looks like this. This is it for this episode. Subscribe to see more.